Welcome to a crucial part of your certified management accountant journey. As you prepare for the CMA USA 2025 exam, you're building a toolkit of financial and strategic skills, but one skill ties it all together: communicating your findings clearly and persuasively. This is where data visualization comes in. It's the bridge between complex analysis and actionable insights. Imagine presenting weeks of analysis to executives. Would you hand them a dense spreadsheet or a simple chart that highlights the key message? The answer is clear. Mastering data visualization elevates your work from reporting numbers to telling compelling financial stories. In this guide, we'll cover the essentials of data visualization from a CMA's perspective. We'll define what it is, why it matters, and explore the best chart types for different scenarios. You don't need to be a designer or programmer, just understand clarity, focus, and storytelling. Remember, your ultimate role is to be a strategic partner, not just a number cruncher. Data visualization skills will help you translate financial data into a language everyone understands. This makes you a more effective communicator and a more valuable asset to any organization. Let's begin this journey and unlock the power of telling stories with data. Your CMA journey starts here, with the art of making numbers speak. Data visualization is the practice of representing information in a graphical format. Charts, graphs, maps, and dashboards. The goal: make complex data accessible and understandable. Our brains process visuals faster than numbers, so patterns and insights emerge instantly. For example, a line chart shows revenue trends over time at a glance. A bar chart compares sales performance across product lines, making top performers obvious. Pie charts, while limited, can show the breakdown of expenses as parts of a whole. These basic visuals transform static numbers into dynamic stories. For a CMA, data visualization isn't about making pretty pictures. It's a critical communication skill. It's about translating raw financial data into a clear, concise visual narrative. Your audience, executives, department heads, or your team should see what you see. By turning numbers into stories, your analysis becomes more impactful and persuasive. This is why mastering data visualization is essential for your success. Make your numbers speak and be heard. For a CMA, data visualization is a secret weapon for clear communication. Your job is to interpret complex financial data and convey insights to non-financial stakeholders. A dense report can overwhelm, but a well-designed chart communicates the message in seconds. Visuals support decision-making by making your analysis more compelling. For example, recommending a new investment is more persuasive with forecast charts and ROI comparisons. Visualization saves time. Spotting trends in a chart is faster than sifting through pages of statements. For your audience, key takeaways are absorbed in minutes, not hours. Visuals transform you from a reporter of data to a strategic partner. A simple chart can spark questions and drive productive discussions. This is the heart of management accounting, using visuals to challenge assumptions and guide success. Your ability to visualize data makes you an effective guide. Use it to lead the conversation. Choosing the right chart is key to telling a clear financial story. Use line charts for trends over time, like monthly revenue or quarterly profits. Bar charts are best for comparing categories, such as sales by region or expenses by department. Avoid pie charts for comparisons. Bars are easier to interpret. Use scatter plots to show relationships between two variables, like ad spend versus sales. Waterfall charts break down how a starting value changes through a series of gains and losses, perfect for explaining changes in net income. Match your chart to your message for maximum clarity. The right visual makes your story unforgettable. You don't need to be a programmer to create powerful data visualizations. Microsoft Excel offers robust charting tools for most financial reporting needs. For interactive dashboards, Power BI lets you connect data sources and build dynamic reports. Tableau is another favorite for its drag-and-drop interface and stunning visuals. Google Data Studio is a free web-based option that integrates with Google products. All these tools empower you to create professional-grade visuals, no coding required. Focus on your analysis, not on learning to program. The right tool puts data storytelling in your hands. Let's see how these concepts work in real CMA scenarios. Build KPI dashboards with gauges, line charts, and bar charts for instant business health checks. Analyze budget versus actuals with grouped bar charts and waterfall charts to highlight variances. Use line charts to reveal sales trends and add trend lines for forecasts. For cost analysis, stacked bar charts break down total costs into components like materials, labor, and overhead. These visuals make it easy to spot issues and spark strategic discussions. For example, if raw materials dominate costs, the team can explore alternatives. Visuals turn complex analysis into actionable insights. They help you communicate findings quickly and drive better decisions. As a CMA, these tools are your everyday advantage. Make your analysis impossible to ignore. Data visualization is powerful, but common mistakes can undermine your message. Avoid chart clutter. Too many data series, grid lines, or colors overwhelm your audience. Simplify. Every element should serve your message. Don't use the wrong chart type. Never use a pie chart for time trends or a line chart for unrelated categories. Always match the chart to your data's story. Label everything clearly. Titles, axes, units, and legends are essential. Unlabeled charts force your audience to guess and lead to confusion. Avoid distracting effects like 3D, shadows, or gradients. They distort data and reduce clarity. Stick to clean, two-dimensional designs for accuracy. Your credibility depends on honest, precise visuals. Prioritize clarity over decoration. Let your data shine, not your software's special effects. Simplicity is your best friend. The real power of data visualization is driving action and guiding strategy. Your visuals start critical conversations and provide context for smart decisions. A well-crafted chart doesn't just inform, it persuades and focuses attention on what matters. For example, a dashboard showing declining customer value and rising acquisition costs prompts urgent strategic questions. Use visuals to shift the conversation from problems to solutions and opportunities. Support your recommendations with clear, compelling charts, forecasting, risk assessment, and ROI. Data visualization is the language of strategy. Use it to chart a path to a more profitable future. Let's recap the essentials for mastering data visualization as a CMA. Choose the right chart for your message, line for trends, bar for comparisons, waterfall for breakdowns. Prioritize clarity and simplicity. Every element should serve a purpose. Use clear titles, labels, and strategic color. Avoid unnecessary effects that distort your data. Embrace user-friendly tools like Excel, Power BI, Tableau, or Google Data Studio. Confidence in your tools lets you focus on insights, not formatting. Remember, your visuals are catalysts for discussion and action. Use them to highlight opportunities, expose risks, and guide your organization. Mastering data visualization elevates your influence and value as a CMA. Build these skills with intention. They'll serve you throughout your career. Turn complex data into clear stories that drive success.